Today I am going to prepare cream cheese brownie. The ingredients required are dark chocolate, walnuts, unsalted butter, baking powder, vanilla essence, refined flour, water, whole eggs. For the cream cheese filling, we will require cream cheese, yogurt or hung curd, castor sugar, egg yolk. Let's start making the brownie mix. First add water, sugar and the butter into a saucepan. Boil these three ingredients together on a cooking range. This will dissolve the sugar and melt the fat. Once the mixture boils, remove it from the flame. Now add chopped chocolate into it and mix it till the chocolate melts. Beat the eggs. Add slowly after the chocolate has been added. Once the egg gets mixed, add the vanilla essence. Now sieve flour. Baking powder. And mix it gently. Dry ingredients get mixed. Finally add the chopped walnuts. Now the brownie mix is ready. Let's move to the next step. For the filling, add the cream cheese into a mixing bowl. Soften it. Add the castor sugar. Add the hung curd or yogurt. And finally the egg yolk. Mix them together without any lumps. Now we have a filling and the brownie mix ready. Pour the brownie mix into a lined baking tray or a baking mold. Put the cream cheese filling into a piping bag. Pipe it onto the surface of the brownie mix. Now do a feathering, which actually gives a nice design to the brownie. Bake the cream cheese brownie at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. We just finished 40 minutes and the brownie has got good color and it's baked. After baking, once the brownie cools down a bit, it's time to demold it before we portion it. Trim the edges after demolding and divide them into portions. Put some walnuts and just some icing sugar. cream cheese brownie is ready to be served.